Welcome to a peaceful village surrounded by endless greenery. Where fresh air, green fields, and tall trees create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Life here moves slowly and quietly. Away from busy roads and city noise. Allowing the mind to rest and the heart to feel at ease. And every moment feels connected to nature. Birds sing in the mornings, gentle winds move through the leaves. This simple village life shows us the true beauty of greenery, reminding us that peace, balance, and happiness can still be found in places close to the land and far from the rush of modern life.